Welcome to Mount Allison University. My name is Ann Comfort, and I'm the Acting Vice President of International and Student Affairs. I'm also a very proud alumni of Mount Allison, and I want to take this time to welcome you to our virtual open house. We've been taking many COVID precautions to make sure that you're safe and that our community stays safe. So welcome for joining us from your homes and from your communities today. I want to highlight for you some of the things that you'll be able to look at and hear about while you're with us for the next few days. We've got a great list of support services that we run through Student Affairs, such as academic support services. That includes writing resource centers. We run tutoring programs. We run supports through peers with some of our academic courses as well. We have supports for our first generation students. We have a Black student advisor, an Indigenous affairs coordinator, all of whom are here to support you in your journey at Mount A. I also want to highlight our award-winning Meehan Center. That's a center that supports students with disabilities, provides accommodations to them, and I'd encourage you to look into those and to check those out, to talk to the people that work there and to find out how Mount A is a really good fit for you. Mount A is a lot about living in residence, getting to know people, and being involved. So you're going to have a chance to talk to some of those student leaders and to see the benefits of being on campus with us. Maybe sports are something that you're interested in. We have everything from varsity athletes to intramural sports to club sports to a fitness center where people can go and work out on their own. There's also 110 clubs and societies on campus, and I'm sure that you'll find something that'll fit your style, fit your interest. So you might try something new, or you might go into a club that's similar to what you had in high school. Look them up, ask questions, talk to the people that are involved in them, and I'm sure that you'll find something at Mount Allison that'll fit your needs.